We are now going to assess your active and passive hip extension, which is the back leg in a front split. To do this, we're going to come into a kneeling position. The leg that's towards the camera is going to stay on the ground. The leg not towards the camera will pop up into a half kneeling position. If this is neutral, how far into hip extension can you go forwards? So keeping your pelvis square, shifting forward. The goal is to get into this back hip, going into extension as far as you possibly can. And then you can repeat on the opposite side. How far can this hip extend passively? And then come up. To test our active hip extension, we're going to lay on our back. Leg that's towards the camera is going to be the one that we are assessing. We can hug our other knee up towards our chest, and this just keeps you from pressing into the ground with your arms. And you're going to perform a single leg glute bridge. So lifting up from where your hip is bent, how far up can you go? Maintaining a fairly neutral low back. So I'm not really trying to arch in. I'm trying to keep my ribs pretty closed for this. Driving through my glutes up towards the ceiling. And then repeat on the other side. And some things that we're looking for is one, how far up can you get? But then two, are you wobbly with this? Like, are you having a really hard time driving up through hip extension, or do you go kind of in a swoopy up, and then once you're up, are you really struggling to stabilize with that one leg on the ground? And it's just data. We're just getting a baseline for where your body is right now.